We recently booked the Polar Icebreaker cruise through Klook, and it was hands down one of the most unforgettable experiences of our lives. From the moment we boarded the icebreaker ship, we knew we were in for something extraordinary. The entire journey was seamless, thanks to Klook's easy booking process and clear instructions. The cruise itself was absolutely breathtaking. Sailing through the icy waters and snow-covered landscapes, it felt like stepping into another world. The highlight, of course, was watching the icebreaker plow through thick sheets of ice. It was both thrilling and mesmerizing. The crew was incredibly knowledgeable and shared fascinating insights about the Arctic environment and the science behind icebreaking. The ship was comfortable and well-equipped, with large viewing decks that allowed us to take in the panoramic views and capture incredible photos. The icy landscapes were surreal. The bus that came to pick us up was very punctual. It was big and comfortable. The round trip took 6 hours, but it was worth it. Don't feel too tired. The food on the boat was more delicious than expected. The boat looks old, but it's not that scary. Quite complicated if you have children, you may need to keep an eye on them as they may get lost. Choose an afternoon tour. This caused the ship to depart along the same route that had already been cut through the ice. If you go in the morning, you might be able to cut some new ice. We really love this amazing tour. It was one of our best experiences in our lives. The scenery was gorgeous. I would suggest to go there 30 minutes earlier in order to get enough time to explore the whole cruise. Please bring enough clothing because it would be freezing cold and windy. The highlight experience on my journey in Finland: cool ship, cool place, lunch was good. Transportation transfer was efficient and very friendly guider and staff at the ship. Just wear proper attire for this cool journey. There is a pickup point at Santa Claus Village. On that day, we took the sleeper train to Rovaniemi and then took this trip. It was quite smooth. The icebreaker was very shocking. It was fun to walk on the ice after getting off the boat. The meals were also delicious. We will get our own wristbands and eat and wear lobster costumes to go into the water according to the allocated time. It is basically free time, and there is no special It was one of my best experiences in my life. Really worth to join this tour. Remember to arrive 30 minutes earlier so that you can explore the whole cruise. One of the must-visit attractions in Rovaniemi, watching the icebreaker break through the ice is so shocking. In addition, the swimming part is very interesting. Definitely worth a try, smiley face emoji. Awesome experience, would recommend since swimming in the icy water is definitely a bucket list moment. You will be allocated into different groups, would recommend upgrading up VIP if you can, as you would be the first group in, no smelly suits, and since there are only loved everything about it. So well organized. The travel agencies were charging 45k, but I booked this through Klook by only 36k. It's fun to float in the Arctic Ocean in a lobster suit, and taking photos on the ice is also very special. It's worth a once-in-a-lifetime experience. There is transportation on the day, which is very convenient. The weather is very good, so you can get off the boat and hit the ice. It is really a very good experience.